Hola!
Hello.
Welcome to my channel. This is my husband Rani, and we are going to do a taste test for different types of Violife cheese. I will put a photo of the name of the cheese, what it looks like, and how it grates. Of course, not all of them will be grated because one of them is going to be cream cheese, which you cannot grate, and another one is a sliced cheese, which again I cannot grate. We will give points to each cheese for texture, for aroma, for how it melts, and the taste hot and cold. So at the end we will show you our points in a photo, and in the end we'll just put the overall winner. So I hope you enjoy this, and let's start. First one we're going to try is a cream cheese. It's called Satsuki cream cheese, and it smells lovely. It smells really nice. Smell it. It smells very herby, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And it's very creamy, but it feels like like cream cheese when you aerate it. You know how it becomes nice and fluffy? This is the texture of this. So now we'll try it.
Very nice.
Really nice.
Really nice taste.
It actually does taste like tzatziki with cream cheese rather than yogurt.
Right.
I really like it.
Very good.
Right. So with this, we tasted it. I'll put the photo now. Before I became vegan, when I was feeling lazy, all I would do is boil some pasta and add some like flavored Philadelphia to it. And the Philadelphia would kind of coat the pasta and make it really creamy. So I did it this time. As you see in the photo, it melted really. It became very watery, and it didn't taste like anything, did it?
No.
It's like melted butter. So I wouldn't do that with this kind of cheese. It's lovely when it's cold, but I wouldn't try it. I wouldn't try it hot. So the next one is going to be the mozzarella. Right, let's taste it. Smell it first and taste it as it is. Doesn't smell of anything.
Doesn't smell of anything, no.
And the texture, it looks like gritty. The texture looks like gritty. I don't know whether it is gritty. Let me taste it. No, it's just slightly gritty. It doesn't taste. The thing with mozzarella is that you usually have it melted on pizza, right? So who eats cold mozzarella?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not expecting it to be out of this world, so doesn't taste of anything,
No.
does it?
It's plasticky.
Yeah. So for the hot taste, what I did is I did like a melted cheese sandwich. So this is the warm one, as you see in the photo, it melts really nicely and it's like very gooey.
Ooh.
So,
Nice.
very nice. I mean,
melty.
this really, you would eat it warm, you wouldn't eat it cold. All the taste is... Next one
Very good.
we'll taste is called smoked cheddar. And the one I bought is in a block. I think it comes in... slices, but I'm not sure. So this is the smoked cheddar. The smell doesn't... Actually, it does smell.
There's a bit.
There is a bit of
there's a bit
smell
yeah.
of smoked smell,
Yeah.
but doesn't smell like cheddar. And it doesn't look gritty. But let me taste.
Not very tasty.
Let's try it with bread. Yeah, it doesn't really taste like anything. You cannot taste the smoke,
No.
and you cannot taste the cheddar. So I have no idea why it's called smoked cheddar. Let's see if we can taste it more than the smoke and the cheddar when it's melted.
Ooh. Really has melted. Nicely. Ooh, looks nice at least.
And it's very melty.
Ooh.
Again, I mean, it's lovely. If I was looking for a melted cheese sandwich, this is the cheese I would use. But I have no idea why it's called smoked cheddar, because it doesn't taste like cheddar and it doesn't taste smoky.
No.
But it's really, really nice.
Well, with this toast, it's nice, but I guess mainly because it's toast. Without it, it wouldn't taste much anything.
I mean, it would taste nice on a burger.
Yes, it's much better than as cold.
Yeah. I would not
This
use this
cheese-
cold. Actually, reminds me of the sliced Kraft cheese that we used to use for cheese sandwiches,
Oh, yeah.
for melted cheese sandwiches. This is, to me, this is what it tastes like. The next one, you see on the packet, it just says, I mean, it's in Spanish, but it says slices of cheese with basil and tomato. It looks orange. You like this because you have it every morning, don't you? With,
Yeah.
For breakfast.
Yeah. I have it with the toast.
Yeah. It smells. You can smell the basil. It smells
It's
nice.
not very strong smell, but
Yeah, but but you can
is
smell
there.
it.
It is there, yeah.
It's a very mild cheese. It's not strong at all.
No, but it is good. There is some taste. Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, you can actually taste the basil and the tomatoes not so much, but the basil, yes.
Yeah. Mild.
Very mild. But it's a nice breakfast cheese because you
Yeah.
don't want a cheese that is too strong for breakfast.
Yeah.
Well, you don't, I do.
Well, I don't.
I used to love vintage cheddar cheese, really, really strong. We'll taste it now, hot. Okay, so this hot, you can see that it's very melty as well.
Ooh, yes.
Let's see what it tastes like.
Quite nice, yeah.
Mm.
Much more taste now.
Yeah. And obviously the heat brings out the taste better. For a melted cheese sandwich, I would use the other, the smoked cheddar.
Yeah, maybe.
This would be nice again on a
On a burger.
burger.
Yeah.